There we go. Long time no see. Huh? So, it's been over a year since I've recorded a video on this channel, and there is a really good reason for that. I was incredibly busy working on a separate project. It's a little bit of hair standing here, annoying me. Anyway, you may have heard about it because I shared a couple of hints on the community tab of this channel. Essentially, it's that thing down there in the back. It's my book about Smok. That's right, I wrote a whole book, a big long book. Anyway, Smok is a suite of tools that allows you to build C++ code and then test it and publish it, package it, install it. All that allows you to manage dependencies that you might need for your C++ projects, and it's all done through a domain-specific language, Smok language. So there is a little bit to learn to use it proficiently and cleanly, and more or less that's what the book is about. But I won't get into too many details about that. I will have a separate video talking about writing of the book and how I went through it, what's inside the book and all that. I want to address a little bit of my, what would you call it, absence, a little bit of vacation, and what happened after writing this book. When it comes to my videos, I really enjoy making them with other people and, collaborate on things, take you guys to the office, show you around, spend some time with friends. That really doesn't happen that much during the pandemic. Pandemic didn't really give us that great of an environment to record videos, right? So instead of that, I thought, what better year to spend on writing a book than a pandemic year? It's essentially, you have to sit at home anyway, so you might as well use that time towards something that requires you to do so. So there, the book was birthed out of that. You kind of get that it's not that easy to do YouTube videos and write a book at the same time. I know some people do it. Maybe they don't work full-time, maybe they are full-time YouTubers or book writers, but for me it was just simply too much. I couldn't do it, and I was so tired that whatever I produced, I've tried it, wasn't really, making the cut. By my standards, the output wasn't just simply there. So I didn't want to bore you too much with things that were subpar. I decided to hit a pause, until this thing was completed and done. It's gonna get published really soon, or I hear that it's already available in some places. You can pre-order it now on Amazon. It should be live, ready to be deployed on March 9th, I think. That's what they say. So check out the link in the description if you're interested. Buy it, of course, if you're interested in Smok or C++. And if you're not, maybe you can buy it to support the channel. I don't know, give it as a gift to somebody. Anyways, as of now, or actually as of a week ago, I'm jobless. I don't work anymore, anywhere. I'm starting a brand new adventure, and boy, it's a big one. It's gonna be insane. So before I get into that, why did I even consider switching? That's a big question, because to be fair, Cisco Meraki was quite good to me. As these things go, compensation and the workload and all that, work-life balance, Cisco is really good company. But reality is that pandemic really got us, right? Inflation is up. Costs of living are high as ever, and London is pretty damn expensive city to live in. Oh man! So with this book nearing completion, I felt that there is a pretty high chance of me getting an interview with some of the companies that I was really interested in for quite a long time. And I wasn't that wrong. Let me tell you. I bet some of you will figure it out sooner rather than later. But let's say for now, officially, this is still a secret. Mostly because I want to make a really cool video out of it real soon. And I had a really interesting experience with a couple of companies, and I'll be sharing that in videos coming up really soon as well. Essentially, they asked me to describe my first 90 days in the company, like make a proper PowerPoint presentation about it. That was an unusual experience, and I'll share what I've done and how I've approached the subject. So, subscribe to the channel if you want to be up to date with that. So, stay tuned, that one is coming. And I guess this is all I have for you today. A short update, short and sweet. And, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.